Hello and welcome to Curriculum Night. You're in the library, and my name is Mr. Diamond, and I'll be the new librarian for this coming year. So I'm going to introduce what I'm all about and what we're going to be doing this year. I'm very excited to meet you guys. So, um, I graduated UNT with a BA in biology and a minor in education. So I started out wanting to teach biology. Um, I was very interested, and still am very interested in the science field. Um, but after my student teaching, I kind of switched gears a little while, and I went to into ESL, and I taught overseas for 3 years in Korea. Um, After that, I came back to Texas, and I started teaching physics at Coppell High School. And I've done that for the past 4 years now with Coppell ISD. And that's why I earned my master's in library science just last year with UNT. Um, so, how can I make a difference in the community here at school? As the new school librarian, I'm planning to create an environment that's going to welcome the entirety of the student body. So I don't want to just appeal to the kids that are already into reading. I want to pull the kids that aren't usually used to coming into the library in and showing them what the library can actually offer them, because it can do a lot more than just provide books. I'm planning several events throughout the year to promote multicultural holidays and different viewpoints. We'll have Black History Month. We'll have um, different language sections. We will have different learning opportunities throughout each month, and there will be a theme for every single month. So I want to support learners from different backgrounds and provide resources for students to explore their intrinsic interests. I don't want to just pull them in and force them into something that they're not quite interested in. I want them to come in with an interest already in mind, and then I can show them how they can use the library to help them further their interests. So I plan to be very visible in the school community. I want every student to know who I am. I don't want to be a stranger on campus. So I'm planning to work this year with several different partners. For the first goal I had, I got us partnered with the city library, so that way they can join the interlibrary loan system. This way they can have access to the databases and videos and books available in both the city library branches and the public library. So often there will be a book that's extremely popular or some sort of resource that has been checked out because it's part of the pop culture at the moment, much like the Harry Potter books and the Diaries of the Wimpy Kids. So if they decide they want to order a book, there's going to be more copies available, and plus it'll get them signed up to get their library cards at the city if they haven't yet already. So that's something that they can branch into. I'm also partnering with the vendors from Scholastic Books, and we're going to host annual book fair this year, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll see if we'll continue that for the next year. I plan to collaborate with teachers by working with groups that are planning to do blended learning. So we're going to have maybe a math teacher and an English teacher, and they're going to come together in the library, and we're going to work on a project together, and they're going to collaborate cross-curriculum. So they can kind of take what they learn from different subjects and synthesize something new, incorporating everything from both subjects. I'm also planning to host digital workshops to check in with department teams on a weekly basis. So that way, not only do they get to know my face and know what I'm here for, but I can find out what resources I can start looking up for them, because some teachers are so busy they kind of stay in their own departments, and they stay within their classrooms, and they don't always utilize everything available to them. So I will come to them, and we can figure out how we can help each other. Some programs that I'm planning to offer. One very helpful program that I feel like is very necessary at this point in time is homework help. It's going to be the Homework Help Club. What it is I'm working with teacher volunteers. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're going to keep the library open an extra hour every week, and they're going to participate in helping and assisting with students with their assignments, so that way they're not struggling at home by themselves. We also will be teaming up with Code.org, and we're going to be using beginner programs and sandbox formats to introduce and support students interested in learning how to code. So if they want to sign up for that, there will be information on that as you leave the library today. Also on the website. So what is our role as an educator, or what is my role? I'm encompassing a lot of different aspects here, so I have to wear a lot of different hats. I'm planning to be an information specialist, and that's where I'm going to help students access resources and guide them with curated tools. I plan to partner with teachers and help them with their lessons and finding resources to help make things more applicable to the students. And I also plan to teach directly to the students when teachers have special research topics they want to cover throughout the year. It was nice meeting you.